KStack is a logistics company that does consolidation, primarily consolidation to retail. We house and work with small to mid-size consumer packaged goods companies and move their products to retailers faster and cheaper than they could do it on their own. We've been around for about 15, 16 years and have a lot of legacy technology. And we were in a position where we weren't moving fast enough. When we started working with Mendix and looking for a rapid application development platform, we had looked at it as a way to significantly increase the velocity of how we delivered and deployed applications and more importantly, business value. We have a handful of apps on Mendix today and have another at least 10 to 12 apps that we know would be perfect candidates for Mendix in the future. So one of the first applications that we decided to think about building was a replacement for Salesforce. So when we started this process, it was a driver towards reducing cost around Salesforce, but as we got into the process, we realized we had some opportunities to drive some huge business value going forward in that we have one place for all customer information. So prior to Salesforce, customer information was in multiple systems, and now that we've moved everything to a system we call Alonzo, we have all the customer information in one spot. And we actually did this and released it in a month. One of the other applications that we decided to build was an accounts payables reconciliation engine. In the logistics industry, it's very difficult because of the sheer volume of carriers and the volume of warehouses that we have to deal with, and they're constantly changing, to keep things matched up with what we should be paying and what they say we're paying. And so far, as we launched this last week, we've got 100% matching on all the invoices and the transportation carriers that have come in. Another example of an application that we built was our claims management system. And this is the system that allows our clients to submit claims for damages or lost products to us in order to be reimbursed for something that may happen. And we actually have seen a dramatic reduction in the cost to actually process a claim since we've released the Mendix-based claims management system. While we were initially looking at Mendix to build up the speed of development, we really found that one of the other interesting side benefits maybe that we didn't realize right out of the gate was our ability to innovate more quickly. So it allows us to get more done and test some things that we may or may not have proven or ever risen to the top before, but may provide an inordinate amount of value. In most cases, we're looking to have developers and the business partners self-select because of the speed of Mendix, but it's a great platform for most of the workloads that our business has. It's not having the coolest code or the coolest technology, is the business value first. For me, it was bringing the Mendix platform to KStack is what brought that shorter time to value.